When people arrive at Union Glacier, it becomes quite the social equalizer. We get millionaires, we get politicians, we get sponsored athletes, we get all these types of folks that arrive, and they come in and suddenly they're at the mercy of weather and logistics, and they sit down with the staff and the other crew and the other expeditioners and the other tourists, and everybody eats together, everybody works together, everybody plays together. And so this social hierarchy that you get in the rest of society just goes away.
The art of living in a polar landscape is attention to detail. At any moment, a little thing can become a big disastrous thing. You become hyper aware of the things that it means to be a human animal. Those very simple things, shelter, food, rest, become everything here. And it's nice to feel like an animal again and not such a sophisticated creature as we try to pretend to be.
Bad news, it's those who chose to stay devoured by this old driveway tonight.
It's a vacation from what we think is reality back home, and it becomes this very rewarding experience where everybody gets along, regardless of background, regardless of politics, society, wars, etc. And everybody's here just for common goals, which is fulfilling dreams.